Hello, parents of English 1 students. My name is Keith Leonard, and I do apologize for not being here tonight. I am at a conference this weekend and had to leave early, so I do apologize for not being able to meet you. I'm recording this video to welcome you to open house for my class and to let you know a little bit about what English 1 is going to be like for your students. So English 1 this year is one of 4 required courses for graduation. We are going to be doing reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills, also presentation and research. We read 3 to 4 novels depending on which course or track that you're in. Our college prep course does 3 novels. We do Romeo and Juliet, To Kill a Mockingbird, and a South African play called Master Harold and the Boys. We also do a college and career research project that focuses on skills related to research. If you are in the honors class, second block, or you're taking the honors track in my third block option, then you will also do the Odyssey by Homer, which is an ancient epic poem. The classes are a little bit different. First block is a traditionally taught college prep course. Second block is a traditionally taught honors course. And then third block is a PLE, Personalized Learning Environment class, which means it's self-paced. And there are several pieces of choice classes, choice assignments in there. Students can choose to track through college prep, or they can choose to track through honors. They have additional assignments that they can pace through, and they can actually pace through as fast as they want to. Now, there is a minimum pace that they must keep up with, and that's something that we're learning right now in the course. If they finish up early, they actually have an opportunity to take a Genre Studies English elective class and get 2 credits. That is also available next semester for current students in English first block or second block. My email address is keith.leonard@knoxschools.org. The page that I'm going to leave with the QR code on it outside my door has that email address on it. Please feel free to email me or contact me at the main number if you have any questions about how your student is doing. I'd be glad to answer those, and certainly I'm available. I have tutoring on most Mondays and Tuesdays after school for some courses, including the honors course. There is homework. In the case of the honors course, there's homework more than once a week. The PLE course in third block is a 24/7 course, so the student can access that at home. And all of my courses are available on Canvas with the Chromebook or a home computer and can be accessed at any time. So if your student's running behind, they do have the ability to get caught up at home. I think that's the biggeth things that I wanted you to know. I'm going to take a look over here. We do have several essays that they're going to be writing. I have a list of things to look at. Again, Keith, Keith.Leonard, Leonard, @knoxschools.org is my email address, and you can also reach me through the main office at 865-594-1240. I look forward to speaking with you. We're looking forward to a great year. I've had a great year already with all 3 of my classes. So thank you very much. Again, I apologize for not being here, and I am available to help your students and answer any questions that you have. Thank you.